Hi guys, today I'll show you how I do my favorite ombre lip combination. Let's just get started because it's super easy. First, I'm using a lip primer. This one is from MAC to keep the lips really soft and hydrated. For a nude ombre lip, I always use two liners and up to two different lipsticks. It always depends on how intense I want the effect to be. As you can see, I'm starting to line my lips with a lighter color. This one is called Whirl. This helps me really figure out the shape that I want to do for my lips and just get the outlines ready. With a lighter color, I'm slightly filling the rest of the lip. Afterwards, I proceed with a darker color. Here I'm using the lip liner in the color Chestnut. I'm mostly concentrating on the outer and inner corner of the lip. That helps me to create that beautiful ombre effect already. What also already helps you blending the colors together is when you press your lips together like this. Next color that I'm using is a lipstick from MAC. This is the color Cream Cup. You can see I'm using it all the time because there's still color from my previous application on it. And because I wanted the center of the lip a little bit more lighter, I'm using a lipstick from L'Oreal. This is the number 100. You'll also see me going back and forth with the liner or lipstick just until I get that perfect ombre blend. Now I'm just sharpening the edges with a concealer pencil to make it look a little more neat. And yes, this was the nude version, you guys. Now I'm going to show you how I do the red one, which was most liked by you on my Instagram. And I'm using cherry lip liner for this look. Also, I want to give you a tip how to keep your lips most symmetrical as possible when lining them. Make sure that if you start from the other corner, you do the same thing on the other side. Just otherwise, it's going to be one side too round and the other one a little too steep. Now I'm using a darker lip liner. This is in the color Vino. Sometimes if I want to be a little bit more dramatic, then I like to use a Night Moth. And I just noticed that pretty much all of these colors are from MAC. I am so sorry guys, but honestly these are my most favorite products to choose this look. So yes, that's why I'm using them. And same as before, we're lining the lips and concentrating on the inner corners. Now for lipstick, I'm using Ruby Woo. Honestly, you guys, this is my absolute favorite red lipstick. It looks so good on everybody, and I love to use this just by itself, or as you can see, look how good it already looks with the ombre. Oh my god, can you tell how obsessed I am? And again, I'm going back with the liner a little bit to give back of that ombre effect. Again, to sharpen and clean up my lip, I use MAC Studio Chromographic lip pencil. Basically, this is a concealer pencil, which I love to use on the go because it's super fast, super easy. And this is the final result. I would really love to hear in the comments what version you guys like the most. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon.